Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to create like a maternity shoot here at home, and I've been really wanting to do one, and it's just that this whole quarantine thing, everybody is closed, nobody is open, nobody's doing business, and this one that I wanted to hire is not open till May. And I can't wait that long anymore because I might be huge by then. And I am currently on my 28 week right now. I know it's between 27 to 32 weeks is the best time to do a maternity shoot. I will try to create a studio here in the bedroom. It's just going to be me, self-timer, my lights, my bed, whatever I can think of. So hopefully this turns out good. I will post the pictures at the end of the video. Let's start.